everyone, we're going to work on application problem 1-2. The first thing that you need to do is open your digital textbook to page 19. And then the second thing is you need to open the working papers. For those of you at home with face-to-face classes with handouts, you're going to look for the handout that's labeled application problem 1-2, and it'll have a P19 beside of it. Okay, on the working paper, you need to label assets as debits. You need to label liabilities as credits and owner's equity as credits. You need to get a piece of notebook paper. You borrow yours, Wayne. Notebook paper. There you go. So you need to get a piece of notebook paper. You need to create a T account so that you can keep up with what you got and what you gave on your paper. I'm going to do a little mini one right down here just to get you guys started with the problem. I'm going to put the D and the get in parentheses and the C and the credit in parentheses. Okay, we're just going to start talking about the transactions. Received cash from owner as an investment. We got cash, $3,000. We gave capital, and here are the only accounts that you're able to use for this problem. $3,000. So we're going to put a debit of cash into a debit world. Debits make debits get bigger, so we will use the plus sign there. We'll use a capital credit. Capital is a credit in a credit world is a plus. We'll use a plus sign there. So 3,000 on one side is equal to 3,000 on the other. Now we're going to do our running balance. 0 plus 3,000 equals 3,000. So your new balance is going to always be your equal, what it's going to equal for the row. 0 plus 0 is 0. Same here. 3,000 plus 0 is 3,000. We have 3,000 on one side. It is equal to 3,000 on the other. Very good. The next transaction, paid cash for insurance. I got insurance, and the only account that has insurance in it is prepaid. It is $1,600. I gave cash of $1,600. A debit in a debit world is a plus 16. Cash is an asset and a debit, so a credit in a debit world is a minus 16. 3,000 minus 16 is 1,400. We have a 0, we have a 1,600, we have a 0, and 3,000. Okay? A negative 16 and a positive 16 is going to equal 0. So my transaction, number 2, is in balance. And then when I do my totals, my running totals, 14 plus 16 is 3,000. That equals 3,000. You're going to continue doing this for each of the accounts. You're going to check your transactions to make sure that both sides are balanced, hence the name balance sheet equation. And you're going to run your new balance and make sure that it also equals the other balance. If you have questions, email me, and I'll be glad to help you with those.